Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I haven't been on in so long. I can give you 1,000 reasons. Things have been hectic. I wasn't feeling that good last week. Nothing big, everything's fine. Spring cleaning, a mess everywhere. The weather's changing, trying to get 1 ounce of sunshine and air. I don't know, a million things. So I apologize, and I hope that you all forgive me, please, 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 because I so look forward to chatting with you, and I miss you all so much when I can't be on. And I tried and I tried and I kept trying, and it just was never happening. So I have another, this is my Echo Park bi-monthly kit. I'm going to talk about that in a second. I also finally, just yesterday, got my Crafter's Companion stuff that I ordered from HSN like when forever ago. So I was happy about that. And I'm doing good work with my little vanity box and something else, so that'll be fun. So let's move forward and look at my Club Echo Park kit. As you know, this is a bi-monthly kit, not monthly, and it costs $29.95. That's including shipping, which, you know, for a box like this is at least $6.95. And so I think $22.95. Let me see if it says on here. Do I look at this every month? Do I do this? I mean, this is £2. So, okay. Anywho, not cheap to ship. So, I always think it's wonderful. I love the little pizza box of yummy goodness that they send me. And then they send me this stuff. Magical Birthday Boy and Girl. Welcome Baby Boy and Girl. There are a lot of babies. This wouldn't be a weird time to have a lot. I mean, everybody, they always have babies, you know. Anywho, so the bounce back bonus, get an extra 10% off your next order at the online store. Bounce back 10. And they have a new card maker kit. I don't know how much that is or whatever. I can't say. They always give you one of these little inspiration sheets showing you all these fun projects. Super cute, aren't they? Totally cute. And then they even give you some instruction projects with an instruction list, so that's fun. And it comes so fancy wrapped with the gold seal. So obviously this washi tape is part of it. I think this month is Cartabella, and it's called Flower Garden. It's a super pretty washi tape. Love it. That's fun. Look, see? Trying to do it nice. Not gonna happen. And why am I trying to do it nice anyway? Am I gonna reuse this? Open up. Thank you. Thank you. Move. Yep. Daniella's back, and she's a menace. Wouldn't be a video with me if I wasn't a menace. Yep. I am indeed. Alright, moving that over to the chair that's over here. And trying to just get out the paper. Not the paper, the white paper packaging. No, I'm better off just getting this stuff out. Yeah. my goodness. It feels so lovely to be back. I hope you agree and don't say, oh, why didn't she stay away? So I was trying to bring the whole white wrapping, but that didn't happen. So 30 feet of really pretty washi tape and instruction sheets, some coupons, awesome. Keep the one with the coupon on it over here. Okay, I hope all of you have been well. Crazy times, right? We're all just doing our best, I like to think. I know that's all I'm doing. Trying. Doesn't always work, but what else can I do? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wait till you see this. Let me get this. This way I'm showing you the 6x6 so I don't have to show the 12x12. They're usually exactly the same. Double-sided. I don't want to do that. I'm going to do it like this. And there's the big one and the little one. It's so pretty. My goodness, and so thick. Green. And look, and these must be bigger. Must be, yeah, duh. Bigger in the big pack. Oh my gosh. Welcome friend, thinking of you, best wishes, happy birthday. They have all different things on them. How sweet is that? I love black and pink. Well, you know, if you're watching, if you saw, not if you're watching, if you saw the vanity box. Ah, look at all the windows. Oh, look with the awnings and wreaths in the windows and swags down the side. Oh, can you even? A nice diagonal pink. Oh, this is herbs, hanging them to dry. I am in love with this. Gather, bloom your own way, spring flowers. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. That's beautiful. This is so awesome. The boots with the flowers in them. Black and white stripe. Pink gingham. Eek. They almost look like balloon butterflies. Ah, I hate that this is like stuck. Yes, it's stick stuck. Turn this around. Is it only me, or do they look like balloon butterflies? Am I too far away? I'm afraid that I'll... Alright. Oh no, I talk to you more than I do whatever I'm supposed to. Ballooniflies. And more pretty sayings. Beautiful sage green color. The hats with the ribbons and the flowers. Love it. Another. And this blue is so nice too. Almost like a, I don't know. I want to say like a Wedgwood and the lighter. And the eek, look, these. They're little cute bees. Not the ones that will sting me and I'll die. Those are real bees. That's why I have to have an EpiPen. Delightful. Happy summer. Happiness blooms from within. Nothing in nature blooms all year. Be patient with yourself. Oh, these are such nice sayings. Oh my goodness. And all these seed packets again. Green plaid. And I think that's the beginning. Yeah, that's all bringing it back around again. That's beautiful paper, isn't it? I'm so excited I got this. And yes, it is Cartabella. So that is awesome. I wonder, let's take our big paper, see how much of a mess I can make of my minuscule area that isn't wax paper, isn't covered with junk. Yes, there's also all the stickers. Pretty much all the things, the hats and the windows and the pretty words. Oh, look, like they got married in a really cool pink car, vintage. So pretty. It doesn't say, but I don't know how many paper it did say, but I just don't remember if they're 24 sides. I'm not sure. And I'm not going, this one has 24. Okay, okay, okay. Moving on. Move these guys. Let's see this guy. Chipboards. Telephone booth. Look at that. And there's a... Well, how can I not remember what that is? Cloche. The glass. Pendants and all the pretty things. These are obviously puppy stickers. Same stuff. I was supposed to get, if I'm not mistaken, 2 of these, but somehow I ended up with 2 paper pads. Do they really want me to fussy cut? I'll have to check on that. But this is all of the stuff that's in this pack. It's frames and tags, I think they said. It's really pretty. They are. So, okay, then I will have to look into that, because it's not very nice to, if they made an mistake, I don't feel good about them being like, oh, well, they're lost. Yeah, I don't think that's nice. I wouldn't be happy if they did something like that to me, if I called them with a problem, you know. So that is it. Cartabella Flower Garden. I love this. This is so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed it. I am so glad to be doing a video for you, and I truly hope you enjoy it. Know that I have many more coming, but I can't ever seem to get here, but there's more to come, and cross my fingers that I can keep it more together. Come on, you got to keep it together. And you know you are awesome because you're here, and that alone, that's it. You can look around and you will find that you are the most person in the room. Be well, everybody, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay awesome. Bye.